Your electric car is secretly wasting energy every time you drive fast. It happens on highways, and most automakers simply refuse to talk about it. But what if the fix costs less than a fancy dinner for two? A tiny Canadian startup called Inmotive claims they have cracked the code. And they are partnering with Aptera to prove their system actually works. Now, before you dismiss this, remember Tesla tried something very similar before. The original Tesla Roadster launched with a speed transmission in 2008. The idea was brilliant because it would boost both speed and range. But the motor's raw torque literally shredded the gears into metal confetti. That catastrophic failure forced Tesla to abandon the entire multi-speed approach. They switched to a single-speed reduction drive and never looked back. Every EV since has followed that same safe, predictable, and boring blueprint. Family SUVs, sports sedans, and even hypercars all use just one gear. They all sacrifice top-end efficiency for bullet mechanical reliability and simplicity. Only a few exotic cars like the Porsche Taycan dared to try again. But those systems are heavy, complex, and brutally expensive to manufacture properly. So when Inmotive claimed they solved this with a 150 PARS, I was skeptical. I thought, how could a tiny startup outsmart every major automaker on Earth? That question haunted me until I dug deep into their engineering breakthroughs. Here is what makes their Ingear technology completely different from anything else. Instead of using clutches or planetary gears, they built a morphing sprocket. This sprocket literally changes its own diameter while spinning at high speed. Precision mechanical segments guide the shape shift in real time, flawlessly. When the system shifts from low to high gear, the chain adapts instantly. The entire shift completes in about 30 milliseconds, faster than a human blink. And here is the real magic: there is no pause in power delivery. No jolt, no clunk, and absolutely no loss of torque to the wheels. The shift happens so smoothly that passengers might never notice it occurred. This is mechanical elegance that makes traditional gearboxes look prehistoric and crude. The system uses reverse torque impulses from the motor to cancel mechanical jerk. That engineering trick makes every transition practically invisible to human senses. Now let us talk about the numbers, because they are genuinely staggering. According to Inmotive's internal testing, range increases by up to 15%. Acceleration improves by roughly 20% from a complete standstill. Top speed rises by the same 20% margin without any extra power. Compare that to traditional multi-speed setups, and the cost difference is shocking. Inmotive's system could cost as little as $150 per vehicle. That is less than most car owners spend on floor mats and phone chargers. For Aptera, an already hyper-efficient solar-electric vehicle, these gains are transformative. Their current model promises 400 miles on a single charge today. Add this transmission, and you are looking at nearly 460 miles. That extra 60 miles is like getting a bigger battery pack for free. No additional weight, no extra cost, and no charging time wasted whatsoever. This could fundamentally change how we think about EV range anxiety forever. What fascinates me most is the sheer mechanical audacity of the design. Only the sprocket segments, not under load, actually move during each shift. This dramatically reduces friction, wear, and heat generation inside the system. The chain mechanism spins thousands of revolutions per minute without breaking apart. Durability tests have already shown promising results under accelerated wear conditions. But let us be honest, real-world driving is brutally unforgiving to new technology. Heat, vibration, dust, moisture, and time will test this system thoroughly. Will it stay quiet after 50,000 miles of daily commuting? Will it require special maintenance that dealerships are not equipped to handle? Inmotive says yes to reliability and no to extra maintenance complexity. Their accelerated wear tests suggest the system will last for years. However, until real fleets rack up genuine mileage, we must remain cautious. Skepticism is healthy, especially when dealing with moving mechanical parts. But even with those unanswered questions, I cannot help feeling genuinely impressed. The brilliance of this design lies in its elegant simplicity and low cost. If a 150 component can boost range by 10 to 15%, everyone will copy it. This is a mechanical efficiency multiplier, and efficiency is everything in electric mobility. For Aptera, where every single watt-hour of energy truly counts, it could be iconic. It could be the difference between being innovative and becoming absolutely legendary. Now let us rewind and understand why this problem exists in the first place. Gasoline engines need transmissions because their torque bands are extremely narrow. Electric motors deliver instant torque from 0 RPM, which seems perfect at first. but they still face significant efficiency limits at very high RPM ranges. Once you exceed those optimal RPM windows, energy waste increases dramatically. Early EV engineers understood this limitation and tried to solve it. The first Tesla Roadster was a bold attempt with a 2-speed gearbox. The concept was brilliant until the motor's torque literally destroyed the gears. Tesla then simplified to a single-speed reduction drive for better reliability. They sacrificed some top-end speed for a bulletproof, dependable driving experience. Since then, almost every EV has followed that exact same conservative pattern. From family crossovers to high-performance super sedans, all use one gear. Only the Porsche Taycan and Audi e-tron GT dared to bring multi-speed back. But those systems are complex, heavy, and prohibitively expensive for mass production. That is exactly why Inmotive's solution feels like such a breakthrough moment. Imagine taking a normal single-speed EV drivetrain and adding a compact gear system. This system sits right where the differential normally lives in the vehicle. No major redesign of the motor or battery pack is required at all. It is almost like a plug-and-play upgrade for existing EV architectures. The morphing sprocket and chain mechanism is the heart of this innovation. When the system shifts from low to high gear, the sprocket changes diameter. Precise mechanical segments guide this transformation without any external power source. The result is a gear shift that happens in about 30 milliseconds. That is faster than a human blink, which takes roughly 100 milliseconds. Continuous torque to the wheels means no interruption in your driving experience. There is no pause, no jolt, and no loss of power delivery whatsoever. The shift happens so smoothly that passengers might never even notice it. This is engineering that feels like science fiction brought to life. The kind of mechanical elegance that makes engineers grin with pure delight. A chain that changes shape in real time while spinning thousands of RPMs. And it still lasts through rigorous durability tests without failing catastrophically. Incredible does not even begin to describe what this team has achieved. Sure, it sounds complicated, but so did internal combustion engines once. If pistons can explode up and down 10,000 times per minute reliably, for hundreds of thousands of miles without failure, this chain mechanism is feasible. The engineering principles are sound, even if the execution seems magical. Inmotive is not a giant automaker with unlimited resources and massive factories. It is a small Toronto-based startup founded in 2010 with about 37 employees. They have raised roughly $80 million, which is modest by automotive standards. But they are serious, and they have already partnered with Suzuki on development. In 2023, they announced a co-development deal for a 2-speed EV drivetrain. That partnership proves that major manufacturers are taking this technology seriously. So far, no production vehicle on the road uses the Ingear system yet. But that is exactly why Aptera's involvement matters so much right now. Aptera could become the real-world proving ground this technology desperately needs. From a business perspective, this partnership is remarkably smart for both sides. For Aptera, it aligns perfectly with their mission of maximum range from minimal energy. For Inmotive, it is the chance to validate their technology on a futuristic platform. Aptera's ultralight design amplifies every efficiency gain from the transmission system. The announcement called this the beginning of a promising and lasting relationship. They plan to integrate Ingear into Aptera's future vehicles down the road. That wording leaves room for interpretation, and we need to read carefully. Do they mean future generation Apteras beyond the current production model? Or do they mean the next pre-production prototypes like Gemini or Artemis? We do not yet know the specific timeline or which vehicle gets it first. But my guess is Aptera will test the system in limited batches initially. They will gather real-world data before any large-scale production rollout happens. This cautious approach makes sense for any new mechanical innovation entering the market. Of course, with any new technology, healthy skepticism is absolutely necessary. Can this system withstand years of real-world driving with heat and vibration? Will it stay quiet over time, or will it develop annoying whines? And perhaps most importantly, can it deliver those promised gains without adding complexity? Will owners face expensive repairs that cancel out the efficiency benefits? Inmotive says yes to all these questions with confidence and data. They're accelerated where tests suggest strong reliability under extreme conditions. They emphasize that the special chain design minimizes noise significantly, but until fleets rack up real mileage, we will have to wait for proof. The real world is always the ultimate test for any engineering marvel. Even with those unanswered questions, I cannot help but feel impressed. The brilliance lies in the simplicity and the shockingly low cost. If this 150 component can boost range by 10 to 15%, it changes everything. Every EV maker on the planet will want to copy this design immediately. It is a mechanical efficiency multiplier, and efficiency is everything in this industry. For Aptera, where every watt-hour of energy counts, it could be transformative. It could be the difference between being innovative and becoming truly iconic. Here is where I personally stand on this entire situation. If integrating Ingear does not delay Aptera's current production schedule, they should do it. Testing new technology in parallel with existing development is a smart strategy. But if adding this transmission risks pushing deliveries further out, they should wait. It is better to launch the current model first and refine the technology later. Either way, this partnership marks an important and exciting step forward. It proves that EV innovation is not just about software or better batteries. It is about rethinking mechanical components that we thought were solved. The future of electric vehicles might not just hum quietly on electrons alone. It might shift gears while doing it, and that is genuinely exciting. This is a reminder that sometimes the old solutions are the new breakthroughs. We get so caught up in software and batteries that we forget mechanics. But mechanical engineering is just as crucial to the future of mobility. Inmotive has reminded us of that with their elegant and clever design, and Aptera has shown courage by being willing to test it first. That is how innovation happens, through partnerships and real-world testing. Not through PowerPoint presentations, but through actual hardware on actual roads. This is the kind of story that makes following EV news so rewarding. Every week, there is a new breakthrough that challenges our assumptions, and every breakthrough brings us closer to a truly sustainable transportation future. So let us appreciate the engineers who think differently about old problems. They are the ones who will ultimately drive us toward a cleaner planet. Now I want to hear what you think about all of this. Would you trade a little mechanical complexity for a 15% efficiency boost? Could this be the next major upgrade in electric vehicle evolution? Is a morphing chain mechanism the future or just a clever gimmick? Drop your thoughts below because I genuinely love reading your perspectives. Your comments help me understand what matters most to this community, and they often spark new ideas for future videos you will enjoy. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring what drives the future. Remember, the best innovations often come from the most unexpected places. And sometimes the answer is not a bigger battery, but a smarter gear. That is the lesson from Inmotive and Aptera, and it is a powerful one. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Keep questioning, keep learning, and never stop being fascinated by engineering.